In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide the media title when a video starts on the VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top and go down and select Preferences. Select the Subtitles/OSD option or button up at the top here. And then you want to go where it says Subtitle and On-Screen Display Settings, Position. Click the drop-down and you can change where you want the information to appear on the screen. And then select Save to save it at the bottom. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.